how to use Vrbo Owner app feature. So to use Vrbo Owner app feature, you have to download the Vrbo Owner app from your Google Play Store or Apple App Store, then create an owner account. Once you've created your account, just log into your account. Then you'll get to know some of the key features that operate seamlessly. Head to your Vrbo Owner app, then tap on Inbox to go to Inbox Management. Now, this inbox management responds to inquiries, approve or decline booking requests, and message guests before, during, or after their stay, all from one convenient location. Now, head to the calendar at the bottom of your screen. This calendar and reservation feature update the availability, block dates, and manage existing reservation with just a few taps. The listing details, it edits the property descriptions, update amenities, and adjust your house rules or policies. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. See you in my next one.